Exercise 10A, first question, 2, 6, 10, 14. So got the answer? 2, 6, 10, 14. So etc. So T1 is equal to T1 is equal to 2. T2 is equal to 6. Then T3 is equal to 10. T4 is equal to 14. So D is equal to T2 minus T1. Write the formula. T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to, so common difference 4, no? Same way, just to check T3 minus T2. Check whether it is possible or not. Same common difference. 6 is equal to 4. One more. T4 minus T3 is equal to 14 minus 10. D is equal to what? 4. Since common difference is same, since means like this way. Therefore and since, difference between therefore and since. One dot down. Tare dot since. Only therefore. So since the common difference is the same, it forms an AP. Since the common difference is same, it forms an AP. Reason is that common difference is same, so we can say that they are in AP. T1, 15, T2, 12, T3, 9, T4, 6. So common difference is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15 is equal to negative 3. Same way, T3 minus T2 is equal to 9 minus 12 is equal to negative 3. T4 minus T3 is equal to 6 minus 9 is equal to negative 3. Since the common difference is same, it forms an AP. Since the common difference is same, it forms an AP. Then third question, 5, 9, 12, 18. So T1 is equal to 5, T2, 9, T3 is equal to 12, T4 is equal to 18. Common difference, D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. T3 minus T2 is equal to 12 minus 9. What about that? T4 minus T3. 18 minus 12 is equal to what? Comes an AP or not? No. T3 minus T2 is what? 12 minus 9?
3.
3. Here, 18 minus 12? 6. Since the common difference is not same, since the common difference is not same, it does not form an AP. It does not forms an AP. Since the common difference is not same, it does not form an AP. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. So T1 is equal to 1 by 2, T2 is equal to 1 by 3, T3 is equal to 1 by 4, T4 is equal to 1 by 5. So D is equal to T2 minus T1. So how can we write 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2? LCM using Vedic maths. How can we do this? Cross multiplication like that. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 into 1, 3 divided by 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to negative 1 by 6. Negative 1 by 6. Then D is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T3 is how much? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Same. LCM using Vedic maths. 3 minus 4 divided by 12 is equal to negative 1 by 12. Can we? No need of checking other.
No, ma'am.
Only 2 is here.
No.
So, since the common difference is not same, it does not form an AP. Last time, since the common difference is not same, it does not form an AP. Second question, the nth term of a sequence is 2n minus 3. So how can we write? Nth term we will represent it as nth term. T, nth term, Tn is equal to, given Tn is what? 2n minus 3. Find the 15th term means we want to find T15. So how can we find? Without using the formula directly we can write, no? So instead of, do we want to do the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into T? No need. Given Tn is equal to 2n minus 3. So directly we can do what? T15. So how can we do T15? In place of n, it is 15. So replace that n as 15. So you will get the answer. Do it. So T15 means substitute n as 15. So T15 is 2 into 15 minus 3. So 2 into 15. What mass rule we want to apply first? Minus 3. So it is 27. So therefore 15th term is equal to 27. Therefore, the 15th term is equal to 27. Given what? If the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3. So pth term, how can we represent? Pth term is given as 2p plus 3. So pth term, instead of pth term, how can we represent that? TP. No. TP is 2p plus 3. We want to find the AP. AP means comma, comma, dash, dash, dash. That sequence we want to find out. So how can we find the sequence? So what are the things we want to find out? For finding an AP. We need what? Think.
D.
ആലോചിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞാൽ
Common difference.
കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് വേണം. കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ആര് വേണം? ഓക്കെ, കോമൺ ഡിഫറൻസ് വേണം. നമ്പേഴ്സ് വേണം. Numbers. So T1, T2, T3, etc. we want. That only forms an AP, no?
Yes.
അതാണ് ഈ T1, T2, T3 കോമിറ്റ് എഴുതുന്നതാണ് എന്ത് AP എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ എങ്ങനെ അത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും? ഓക്കെ, AP എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേം AP means what? T1, T2, T3, etc. Form of AP with the common difference is equal to T2 minus T1 or D is equal to T3 minus T2. ഈ ഫോമിൽ വരണം. അങ്ങനെ ആയാലും നമുക്ക് അത് AP ആണെന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഒരു സീക്വൻസ് AP. So TP 2p plus 1. So how can we find the first term? So for finding first term, T1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. T1 is equal to 5. For first term we got.
T2
is equal to 2 into
plus 4 plus 3
is equal to 7. So T2 we got it as 7. One more you find out. T3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to what? 9. We want to find the AP, no? Therefore, AP is what? Therefore, AP is
T1.
no need of directly write the answer. AP is in the form of T1, 5, 7, 9, etc. That is your answer.
10.
Find the 24th term of the sequence. So this is the first term. T2. Here this is T3, T4, etc. Somewhere we will have which one? T24. So we want to find that which value for that. T24 is what? T24 എന്താണ് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മനസ്സിലായോ? T1 12, T2 10, T3 8, T4 6, etc. T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, etc. Somewhere we will have T24. That value we want to find out. T24. T24. How can we find? Any idea? This value we want to get. T24.
And common difference first. We have to
Okay.
find.
Common difference we want to find. For what?
Then 6 plus the common difference.
Adding
on
full.
answer.
Adding. അങ്ങനെ add ചെയ്ത് 24 വരെ എത്തിക്കാനാ? No need.
ഇത് വേണ്ട മാം.
No need. So general term Tn. Tn we studied one formula.
A plus n minus 1.
Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we want to find out the T24 means instead of n we can replace it as 24. So T24 we want to find out means first we want A, then D, then n we know n is what? 24, no? What about A? A. This is our question. A is known as what? Another name for A is T1. So before doing this, what we want to write? T1 is equal to A is equal to 12. T2 is equal to 10. Don't write. T3 is equal to 8. T4 is equal to 6, etc. Then common difference. Common difference is what? D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to common difference.
Negative 2.
10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 is equal to negative 2. Only one we need to find out. Then A. We are not checking whether it is in AP or not. Already given, they are in AP. So no need of finding 2 or 3 times. T2 minus T1 is enough. So T24 is equal to A. A is what? 12. Plus n minus 1. I think directly you can write. N minus 1 means do in the working order. N is 24, so n minus 1 is what? 24 minus 1 is 20. 23 directly you can write. 23 into D. D is what? Negative 2 is equal to. So we want to find out T24 is equal to 12. Then positive 23 into negative 2. Negative 46, isn't it? 46 minus 12. T24.
Negative 34.
Negative 34 is your answer. T24, that is, and 24th term is what? Negative 34. Find the 30th term of the sequence. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2. 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2. We want to find the 30th term. So what we want to find? Tell me. 30th term. Anyone tell me? What is the? Messages are coming. T30. Then boys respond, please.
Right.
T30.
T30.
T30 is equal to question mark. For finding T30, we need what?
A.
General term. What? Tn is equal to
A into n minus
A plus,
N
not A into, A plus,
A
plus, n
A
minus
plus
1
N
into
minus
D.
D.
Thus we want to. Then only we can substitute this as T30. No? N as 330, then N as 30, then only we can find. So what about A? A is equal to T1. A is equal to T1 is equal to 1 by 2. Then T2 is equal to 1. Then
T3 3 by 2.
okay, T3 is equal to 3 by 2. Then
Difference we have to find.
difference we want to find out. Difference is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? Without doing the calculation, we can directly write 1 minus half. Half plus half 1.
Half.
1 minus half is half itself. Or if you are doing the calculation, how can we do that? 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Then
1 by 1.
One way.
LCM using Vedic max. 2 into
2
1.
minus
2
1
minus 1
divided by 2.
divided by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. No need of these all
Half.
steps. No need of. Directly you can do 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Directly you can write. So common difference we got it as 1 by 2. So A is what? 1 by 2. So we want to find out T30. So substitute N as 30. A is what? 1 by 2 plus N is what? 30. N is equal to 30. So what about N minus 1?
30 minus 1 is equal to 29.
29. So substitute 29 into D. We got it as
1 by
1 by 2.
1 by
Ma'am, we have to check one more time.
Which one? Which one? From where onwards?
T3 minus T2 again.
T3.
Difference.
No need of T3 minus T2. Just do only one. Already they are given that it forms an AP. No need of checking. So directly do what? Only one time.
Okay, ma'am.
T1. T2 minus T1. If you are doing T2 minus T1, we will get one answer. That is known as a common difference. No need of doing T3 minus T2. Understood? If they ask to find out what whether check whether it is in AP. AP ആണോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, പിന്നെ T4 minus T3 എന്നുള്ളത് ഓരോന്ന് കണ്ടിട്ട് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യമുള്ളൂ. ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഓൾറെഡി അത് AP-യിലാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ. മനസ്സിലായോ? അതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഇവിടെ 1 by 2 ആണ്.
Yes, ma'am.
ഇനി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എപ്പോഴാണ് അറിയോ ഇനി ഒരു പ്രശ്നം വരിക? ഓക്കെ, ഇനി എപ്പോഴാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു പ്രശ്നം വരിക? അവിടെ GP കൂടെ പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടെ ഒന്നുകൂടെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ കാണേണ്ടി വരും ഡിഫറൻസ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൽ വരുമ്പോ we don't know whether it is an AP or GP. Here AP problem only, no. So no need of doing what? T3 minus T2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? അതായത്
Yes,
ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലാണ് നമുക്ക് പ്രശ്നം വരിക. ഇതിൽ T3 minus T2 ചെയ്യേണ്ട കാര്യമില്ല, കാരണം ഇത് മുഴുവൻ AP-യുടെ ചാപ്റ്റർ ആണെന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്കറിയാം. അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രണ്ടിന് AP GP കമ്പൈൻഡ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എക്സാം വരുമ്പോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയില്ല ഇത് AP-യിലാണോ GP-യിലാണോ എന്നുള്ളത് അറിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ചിലപ്പോൾ T3 minus T2 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ T4 ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടെ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് നോക്കേണ്ടി വരും. ഇപ്പൊ അതിന്റെ ആവശ്യം വരുന്നില്ല. ഈ ഒരെണ്ണം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് അവർ സീക്വൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, AP-യിലാണുള്ള സീക്വൻസ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഡയറക്ട്ലി വി ക്യാൻ ഡു D is equal to 1 by 2. നീ ഏതാ ഡൗട്ട്? ഈ പാർട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞു. നീ ഏതാ ഡൗട്ട് പറഞ്ഞത്? ഭരത്നോ? Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
29.
T30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 29 can be written as 29 by 1. No, numerator into numerator. 29 divided by 1 into 2 is 2. So T30 is equal to same denominator means adding the numerators. 1 plus 29. So T30 is equal to 30 by 2. So T30 is equal to 15. So 15 is the value of the 30th term. Question √3, 2 √3, 3 √3. We want to find out the 100th term. So T100. So we have Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T1 first term √3, T2 2 √3, T3 3 √3. Common difference T2 minus T1. 2 √3 minus √3 is what? Answer is
√3.
how you got? How you got?
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1. That is simply √3 means 1 √3. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. √3 means √3. That is, example we can say what? 2 apples. Tell me. Minus 1 apple is equal to what?
1 apple. 1 apple.
One apple. Is it 1? 1 apple, not orange. 1 apple itself. Not 1 rupees. Ano, 1 rupee ano. 2 apple നിന്ന് 1 apple കഴിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 1 apple ആണ് ബാലൻസ്. അപ്പോൾ അതുപോലെ തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെ ചിന്തിക്കേണ്ടത്. So 1 √3 we can write it as √3 simply 1 apple. 1 apple എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ പറയില്ലല്ലോ. ആപ്പിൾ എന്റെ കയ്യിൽ ആപ്പിൾ ഉണ്ട് എന്നല്ലേ പറയുള്ളൂ. എന്റെ കയ്യിൽ ഒരു ആപ്പിൾ ഉണ്ട് എന്ന് പറയില്ല. One is understood, no? Here we will not say anything. Apple. I have an apple. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
One apple. Root 3. Simply we can write instead of 1 root 3, we can write it as what? It is root 3. 1 root 3 means root 3 itself. So common difference is root 3. So substitute the values Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So T100 we want to find out. So T100 is equal to A. A is what? Root 3, no? Root 3 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 means?
99. 99.
99. So 99 into D
Root 3.
root 3. So how can we write? T100 is equal to root 3 plus 99 root 3. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Root 3 plus 99. Very good.
100 root 3.
1 apple plus 99 apples is equal to, similarly same. Apply here. Answer will be
100 root 3.
100 root 3. So T100 is equal to 100 root 3. That is the final answer. Okay. Okay, thank you.